Good morning, students. Yesterday I teach you indirect speech and the simple rules of indirect speech. Today I am going to teach you how will you change the tense of indirect speech. First of all, you should know that present tense is changed into past tense. Means present indefinite tense is changed into past indefinite tense. Present continuous tense is changed into past continuous tense. Present perfect tense is changed into past perfect tense. And present perfect continuous tense is changed into past perfect continuous tense. And past indefinite tense is changed into past perfect tense. Past continuous tense is changed into past perfect continuous tense. And past perfect and past perfect continuous tense has not to be changed. In future, in all the tenses of the future tense, you will have to change will into would and shall into should. As you may say that I am going to tell you that how will change you the tense. That is the change of tense. As I told you, present indefinite tense is changed into past indefinite tense. Means if there is first form of the verb or yes, or yes in the main verb or do or does is changed into second form of the main verb and did and the first form of the main verb. Second, present continuous tense is changed into past continuous tense means is, am, are. Is changed into was, were. Third, present perfect tense is changed into past perfect tense means has or have. Is changed into had. Fourth, present perfect continuous tense has been or have been. Is changed into had been. Had been. Fifth, past indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense means second form of the main verb. Second form of the main verb or did is changed into had and the third form of the main verb. 6. Past continuous tense means was or were is changed into had been plus ing form of the main verb. Then 7. Past perfect tense means had plus third form of the main verb and 8. Had been past perfect continuous tense had been. There is no change in these two sentences. No change. 9. Future tense. Future means all the tenses of the future you have to change will into would and shall into should. Along with it, you have to change the modal verb also. Like as you may say that can is changed into could, may is changed into might. And along with it, you have to change the nearness of the words also. Like as you may say that today is changed into that day. Yesterday is changed into the previous day. The previous day. Tomorrow is changed into the next day. Now it changed into then. Here is changed into there. This is changed into that. These is changed into those. This is the change of the tense and the nearness words. Now I am going to give you some 10 sentences to do this sentence. For example, I am going to tell you first of all the example, like as Ram said, comma, inverted comma, Sita will help me. Help Lakshman. Now you have to change said into said, because I have told you in previous video that if there is a said to, then you have to change it into told. Otherwise, said should not be changed. Example, Ram said, comma, inverted comma, in place of that, and Sita, Bill is changed into would. As I told you, Bill is changed into would help and Lakshman. That is the indirect speech of this sentence. And the next other example of this kind is that Ram said to me, comma, inverted comma, Sita is not writing a letter. Now you have to change said to is changed into told. Now you will write that Ram told me. That in place of comma and inverted comma. Sita is changed into was not writing a letter. That is the indirect of this sentence.